Okay, hi everyone. On this video we're going to have a look at arc welding. I'm just going to explain the process to you and then we're going to have a go at filming a nice weld. So first of all, this is the plant here. It's quite a small machine. This is quite a modern machine, so the technology has got so that we can actually get the plants quite small. There are two wires that come out. The whole process of arc welding is that you complete a circuit. So the clamp clips onto the material that you're welding, and then the filler rod here, which clamps into the handle, that is the mild steel rod that you strike an arc with. Arc welding uses a steel filler rod, which is the same material that you're actually welding, unlike brazing where you're using a different material like brass to join two pieces of steel together. Doesn't look much like mild steel there because you've actually got a coating of minerals on the outside which will melt around the weld and protect the weld from outside contamination. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up to do a weld. We're going to talk about safety as well. So if I just put that down to begin with. Now steel melts at about 1500 degrees centigrade, so it generates a lot of heat and a lot of light. So we need to protect ourselves by wearing a leather apron so any sparks that come off don't go through your clothes. We need to make sure that we're wearing leather gloves to protect our hands, and also we need to have a full face mask with a filter on. Now the filter will filter out the bright light which can damage your eyes, and you can get a condition called arc eye, which is quite unpleasant. Now at the moment when you look through that filter you can't see anything at all. This is an up-to-date modern face mask and filter where you've actually got a see-through filter here, but as soon as you strike up an arc and it goes very bright, it automatically goes dark, a little bit like your repeat sunglasses and glasses that you can wear. Okay, so that's what we're going to have a go at. So we're going to set up our weld ready to go, and then we're going to strike an arc and run a fillet down a piece of metal. Okay. Right, okay, we're all set up now. We've got Buster here who's going to give us a demonstration on welding. On his workbench there he's clamped two bits of angle mild steel together. He's just clamping on the earth lead there, and he's got his filter on his head ready to go. Adjusted the plant. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to zoom in on the welding area so you can get a nice close-up view. Okay.
So when?
Hang on, Bus. Right, okay, when you're ready.
We ready?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, so what's happening is he's struck up a weld, moving the electrode side to side and creating what's called a weave across the joint. You done, Bus?
Yeah, that do.
Okay. You can see that it's glowing. It's still very hot. And on the top there will be a black layer of slag, which is the minerals that have shrouded the weld as it's been welding. Buster's put on his safety glasses, and with the chipping hammer just going to chip off the slag. Okay, if you can just tip up the weld, Bus, so we can see it.
It's not very good.
That looks alright.
Well, it's not bad.
Yeah, that's a good weld.
It's a bit off.
Yeah. Good job. So that's arc welding.